First of all, I would like to thank the leadership, Congress High Command and the state leadership, Sri Kharge Saab, Rahul ji, Sonia ji, CM DK Shiv Kumar ji, Siddaramaiah ji, KC Venugopal ji and Surjewala ji and all the responsible leaders. And it's a great opportunity given to me by the party and to represent, and I will represent the interest of the state of Karnataka and also the interest of the nation in the parliament. And there are a lot of pressing issues both for the state and for the country, and I intend to address that.
Like as I mentioned, that young faces like you, Pawan Khera is also getting faster, and our CM is also quite young. So is Congress changing some kind of young faces?
See, Congress is a good combination of experience and I won't call myself youth or youngster, but we are a good combination of experience and talent, and also a very democratic party, unlike the other ruling parties. So voices are heard, younger generation, mid-level generation and older generation. It's a good combination.